Hello, how are you? My name is Jordan and I work for Sally Holland, who is the Children's Commissioner for Wales. Now it's Sally's job to make sure that all children in Wales get their children's rights. Children's rights are the things that you need to grow up to be happy, healthy and safe. And all week I have been talking to the grown-ups in your life about Article 31, which is your right to relax and play. And I thought actually I should speak to you because you're the experts. So first of all, you're the experts in play. So if there's a game that you can remember from playing with your friends or something that you like to do normally, maybe speak to your parents and see if they'd like to play it too. I'm sure they'd be more than happy to have a play break. But I thought today we could talk about bubbles. So I know we don't have the access to the shops like we normally do to buy the things we need. So I've been thinking for your parents about things that we can use that are already in our house to make things fun and playful. So all you need is a bowl, and you need some water in a cup, and you need a little bit of washing up liquid, and you could use things like I've cut a kitchen roll off for my bubble blower, or you could use the top of a milk bottle. You could get a bit creative if you have pipe cleaners in your house. You could maybe make your own bubble wand. So what you need to do is put about 2 tablespoons of fairy liquid in your bowl, which I've already done, and then you need to add just a tiny bit of water. Now I've already added some water into mine, so you just add a bit by bit and give it a gentle stir. Now you don't want to be too many bubbles at the top, so just a gentle stir. And you might want to do this slowly because you don't want to overfill your bubbles with water because then it won't work. Then this is the fun part. It worked! Fantastic! So my bubble mixture is working and I hope yours is too. And you could have lots of fun in your garden, either by blowing them, or you could find bigger objects in your garden or in your house that you could move around in the room or using the wind to blow bubbles. You might want to blow bubbles for your younger siblings or for your family to relax, and I hope you enjoy. Bye!